Beetle time here at Unique Specialty and Classics. 1974 Volkswagen Super Beetle. Brilliant orange. Of course, powered by the 1600cc engine. Rear mounted, air cooled. Of course, the Super Beetle, you do have some luggage space up in the front with the relocation of the spare tire or down below the luggage area. And you're also going to have McPherson strut and a coil spring set up in the front of the Super Beetles. Definitely ride out better, drive a little bit better. Take a look at the front bumper. Paint, as you can see, there are some chips. A lot of this paint looks like it is original. Chipping up front. Consignor asked us, represent it the way you see it. It's made to be driven. This vehicle spent the majority of its life in Washington, the state of Washington. Now, if you want to check out the underside, which do that, check out the undersides. Look at the pans, interior, engine bay, trunk compartment, or underneath the hood, if you will. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click the link down below the video in this description. If you see it on YouTube, it's going to take you right to our website where you can see the video and all of the still pictures. Of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Black vinyl interior. FYI, driver's seat does show some wear, and they have placed a seat cover on it. A little rip and two in the passenger one there also. 4-speed manual transmission. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. There are some extra parts, some things that were taken off. New carburetor is on it, so the old carburetor is in a box. So some miscellaneous parts that will go with the car. If you want to know more about that, feel free to consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Glove box is full of miscellaneous receipts, and that's all. You can also tell this car spent quite some time in the state of Washington. And those still pictures can be seen at UniqueClassicCars.com. Click the link down below this video in the description. If you're seeing it on YouTube, it's going to take you right there. Of course, riding on the steel wheels with the Volkswagen hubcaps. All right, let's go ahead and fire this up so you can hear it run. Check out that engine bay. First, let's take a look at the door panels. Door panels, carpeting, all that is good. Dash, headliner. Just the fact that the vinyl in the seats showing some wear, and again, that's why there's a seat cover over this one. Rear seats, fine shape. It's the front two that are showing a little wear on the passenger, and then a little more wear on the drivers. All right. As you can see, fuel gauge is working. Starts easily. Wipers did work. The wipers do a quick swath with them, and then the radio did power up, although I did not get a station in, FYI. It does power up, lights up, a little bit of static, blower fan works, so things appear to be working fine on the interior. That oh so familiar bug sound, if you will.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
1600cc air-cooled engine. As you can see, there's some carb on there. Previous owner stated, fun summer car for him. Like to get out, do a little traveling with it. Now it is time for someone else to enjoy it. I'm in the market for a VW Super Beetle. Here you go, 1974. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.